Previously on WeWanderlustCo, we visited the Malaysian stairway to heaven known as the Batu Caves, known for its ancient caves, intricate temple, and the most colorful steps we've ever seen. Our favorite part? The birds and the cheeky monkeys around the temple. Today we've set our sights on another cultural gem that can't be missed in KL. Thean Hou is a 6-tier temple that's one of the largest and oldest Buddhist temples in Southeast Asia. The temple is dedicated to the sea goddess Mazu and is one of the most beautiful Buddhist temples you'll find in Kuala Lumpur. We are at the entrance of the Thean Hou Temple. It is one of the biggest temples here in Southeast Asia, and surprisingly enough, it's not located in Chinatown. It's actually located on top of a hill that's right outside of the city center, and the best way to get here is by grab like we did. The temple is open daily from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. and the great news is that the entrance is free. We also hear that you can get some of the best views of the city from here, so let's go see. This is a 6-tiered temple dedicated to the Chinese sea goddess Mazu, and currently we are on the top floor, the second level. This is the main prayer hall, and we can see a lot of people coming in, giving offerings and doing their daily prayers, so it's kind of nice to see.
So the temple was actually built by the Hainanese people living in Malaysia, and just walking up the temple goes to show how big this place is. In real life, it's pretty massive. So we're possibly on the 3rd tier.
But it says 6 tiers.
Yeah.
We were on the top level, which was actually the second level. That's the main prayer hall.
It's more scenic views, right? When you come up here.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
And then you got a dragon above there. So much detail. And lanterns everywhere.
Beautiful lanterns everywhere.
I really like the yellow lanterns. Yeah.
It's same, like you hardly see yellow ones, right?
Yeah.
And the red pillars, they're like lined everywhere, so they kind of like hold everything together. But the red pillar is a symbol of
prosperity.
Chinese culture, prosperity. This is a must-visit temple when you come here to KL, and I would highly recommend it.
Yeah, just the panoramic views of the city, because we're at a high elevation. Really nice spot. I would say it's pretty peaceful.
Yeah, it's very peaceful.
And there's weddings happening here. We've seen. I was mistaken, not that it was just a couple and the bridegroom, bridesmaid.
Yeah, no. Yeah. It's actually three or four different brides and grooms here that are doing their photography. And I think there's like a marriage registration office here somewhere. We're not sure. It's such a beautiful temple, and we feel like that the little yellow lanterns is what just really elevates the look of this temple.
Yeah.
They're so pretty. Really adds to all the reds.
The fact that it's kind of like from one side, and it kind of acts like a canopy.
Actually, one of the best times to come here if you just want to see them like full action. It's during the Lunar New Year. There's also a couple of holidays. Yeah, it's like fully decorated, and like there's music and like prayer, like just a big celebration of the holiday. Yeah, so those are some good times to come as well.
So the temple is a mix of Buddhism and a few monks here, Confucianism and Taoism. So all three.
Now here looking at a whole bunch of souvenirs. They have a whole bunch of really nice Chinese souvenirs. Really cute little Buddhas, there's scriptures, there's the little figurines, and then the
temples, the Tia temple.
Yeah. I mean, it's all types of like cartoon characters. There's like cute little Chinese little, what do you call it, dolls. They look so cute. So yeah, if you're
Got your lucky cats.
if you want to shop for some really nice souvenirs, I don't think I've seen this in some of the markets. So they're quite unique. Some of them I've never really seen them. So yeah, if you want some of your souvenirs while you're here at the Thean Hou Temple, you can check it out.
So hidden behind the temple is actually an herb garden. You're seeing figurines of a farmer with cattle. And then you have a nice heart-shaped garden. I feel like possibly some,
Maybe it blooms during spring.
yeah, possibly.
And there's one
Yeah.
giant rooster
Yeah.
on top.
Yeah,
That's super cool.
yeah.
And it's funny because we haven't really seen anyone going all the way up to the stairs because I think you can go. Oh, maybe it's closed off.
Yeah. Try to make your way around. The Serenity Garden is right up there. The one with the
The arch
sakura,
tunnel.
yeah,
Yeah.
arch tunnel. And then yeah,
I think because it is in the back, so a lot of people don't know about
yeah,
it.
yeah.
Right? So maybe they don't even come because the main attraction is the temple.
Temple, yeah.
And out front, and it just looks so grand that you can spend your whole day
Yeah.
just in the front and just around. This is a really nice touch, and the Serenity Garden is really peaceful as well. Although people just kind of come in, take their photos.
Yeah.
There's a lot of wedding photography going on, which kind of surprised us.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we didn't expect that many, but yeah.
Next on WeWanderlustCo.